Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tashina, your Jamaican yard girl, and yes, today I will be showing you guys my lentil soup recipe, all the ingredients that I use to make my lentil soup. So let's get into it. Dice and chopped 1 medium onion. Dice 2 carrots. 2 stalk of celery, yes. 2 clove of garlic. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon of fresh basil or dry basil, your choice. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 2 cups of dry lentil. 8 cups of water. 1 14.5-ounce canned tomato, fresh chopped spinach, salt to taste, and pepper to your liking. Okay guys, that's all you will be needing to make this lentil soup. However, if you would like a little bit more spice, you could add some thyme, a little bit of Jamaican country pepper, and a little bit of rosemary. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you subscribe, guys, because I will be showing you how I make this soup from scratch. Almost time to eat, guys. Bye.